Hello friend, this is Amit from Scrollworks. Today we are going to learn about Redirection WordPress plugin. This plugin is helpful to monitor the 404 error, and also we can fix these errors by using this plugin. So let's see how we can fix the 404 errors. First of all, you have to log into your WordPress site, and once you have login, you can navigate to plugins and you can add new plugin. Okay, search here redirection. Once you search here, you will get multiple results. First of all, we have to choose this plugin. It has 1 plus million active installation. I have already installed it, but you can install it and activate it. Once you install this redirection plugin, then you can navigate to tools and click on the redirection plugin. You will see this dashboard. Now here there are multiple tabs are here. You can monitor the 404 errors by using this tab. So first of all, what redirection plugin will do, once installed, it will start monitoring your website and find out the 404 errors, and it will log all the errors to this tab. So as you can see that for my site, there are multiple, even 165 items are here for 404 errors. So how we can fix it, how we can redirect it? You can add the redirect to any URL by here itself. Like suppose here is the URL which is giving 404 error. So I'll click this link, and if you see here, it is already giving the 404 error, obviously because it is present under this category. Now I want to redirect this URL to home page. Now how I can add? When you hover to that particular URL, you can see four options: agent info, geo info, delete, and redirect. Add redirect. So I'll click on the add redirect. It will pop up the redirection window. Here you can see that this is the source URL which we are getting, for which we are getting the 404 errors, and here is the target URL. We can set target URL as a slash, so it will redirect to the home page. So I'll add the redirect. Once redirect is added, it will display the redirection save. And now if I refresh this page, which was earlier giving me 404 error, now it will redirect to the home page. Now coming to setting section. Now here you can go to option, and here you can see multiple settings for configuration, and here you can keep your 404 logs for a day, week, or month, or forever as well. So as per your need, you can keep your 404 logs. In this way, we can fix 404 error in WordPress website by using redirection WordPress plugin. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel Scrollworks, and you can share this video with your friend.